So here is our patient who's done his hair transplant procedure 7 months ago. So sir, how do you feel today?
Yeah,
it's been 7 months.
Yeah, I'm feeling great and I'm feeling very confident. Like after 7 months I can see my hairlines growing back and I'm satisfied with the result.
Overall, how was the procedure? Was it comfortable? Was it painful?
Yeah, the procedure was super comfortable and it wasn't painful at all, and it was all good.
How was the service of our staff and our doctors here?
I'm very happy with the service and I would like to give a full 5-star feedback to the team, and they've done a great job, and I want to congratulate all of you.
Lastly, would you advise or recommend any of your friends who are having hair loss issues to come and visit us?
Yes, definitely I would like to recommend this to my friends and any of my acquaintances who are having any problem or any hair loss issues.